With so many apps, websites, and online services on your Android phone, protecting it from viruses, malware, and hackers is crucial. So let's dive into the best internet security apps for Android devices to keep your phone safe and secure. So the first one is Norton Mobile Security, which is one of the top choices for Android security. It offers features like App Advisor to warn you about dangerous apps, anti-theft protection, and safe browsing to keep your data safe from malicious websites. So the next one now is Bitdefender Mobile Security, which provides excellent protection against malware, ransomware, and big attacks. It also includes, anti-theft features and privacy protection tools so that your data stays secure all the time. McAfee Mobile Security offers a comprehensive solution with features like anti-theft protection, Wi-Fi security, and even battery optimization. It's an all-in-one security tool to protect your Android phone. The next one is Kaspersky Mobile Antivirus, which is a solid choice for Android devices, offering virus protection, anti-theft tools, and a secure browsing experience. It also includes an app lock feature to keep your apps safe from unauthorized access. Avast Mobile Security is another great option, providing real-time protection against threats like malware, spyware, and it also includes a call blocker and privacy advisor to help protect your personal information. So these internet security apps are going to keep your Android phone protected from online threats and ensure that your personal information stays safe. Leave me a like. Love ya.